Repair and rebuild a cordless battery. A cordless battery, also known as a nickel-zinc battery, is a kind of battery that is rechargeable and can be used in cordless tools and devices such as battery-powered garden tools, cordless phones, digital cameras, electric bike and many other things. It is very efficient and can last a really long time. Currently, only AA battery cells are available in the market. The advantages of using this innovative powered instrument are it has longer lifespan, it is lighter, durable, and more reliable compared to regular ones, and it has an open circuit EMF of 1.6 volts, making just as effective as any alkaline celled batteries. It can really save you money and energy at the same time. If for some reason your cordless battery suddenly stopped working, you do not have to fret or worry about it. There is a solution to that. You can actually repair and rebuild it on your own. To learn more about how to do it, here are some helpful tips that you consider and follow. The first thing you need to do is to determine the positive and the negative side of your busted battery. If you are uncertain, it is advisable that you use a voltmeter to accurately learn which part is the negative and positive side. If, however, you do not have a voltmeter at home, most batteries usually have a gold color when it is positive, while negative is the silver one. As soon as you are done, get two 12-volt car batteries. You then connect the negative cable to the positive side of your battery and the positive cable to the negative. This is a very safe procedure, so you do not have to be concerned in making further damages. Since you already have a 24-volt system, you are now ready to charge your battery. You will need to zap it a couple of times. You can easily do this by continuously transferring electricity in short intervals for at least 9 seconds if you are using a 12-volt battery. For 24-volt, repeatedly do this for 11 seconds. When you are finished sending instant shocks to your cordless battery, let it cool off for at least 25 minutes. You then recharge it by placing it on its own charger for 20 minutes. Make sure you time it. Overcharging can cause more damage. After you are done charging, remove it from the charger and let it sit for 1 hour. You can then test it by checking if it properly charging. Double-check the light indicators to be sure. If it is still not working, repeat these steps by shocking it several more times until you have completely revived your previously broken battery. It is really very easy to fix your cordless battery. Just remember, you have to retain 25 minutes of rest time before your zapping continues. Always be aware of the allotted time. Make sure that you do not overdo the charging. It is extremely important that your hands are completely dry before you start repairing it. All you have to do now is follow these simple steps and soon, you can use your cordless battery in no time.